Have you ever wondered what the wealthiest people in the world have in common? It's not that they work the hardest. It's that they've mastered one fundamental skill, making money without actively trading their time for it. That's passive income. And here's what most people get wrong about it. They think it means doing absolutely nothing. That's a lie. But the flip side is also a lie. That passive income is impossible. The truth? Passive income is absolutely achievable, but only if you understand how it actually works. In the next few minutes, we're going to walk through 5 proven passive income streams with real numbers, real timelines, and real effort required. By the end, you'll know exactly which strategy fits your situation. Before we dive in, I want to address the elephant in the room. Passive income requires upfront work. You're basically paying yourself in advance. You're grinding now so you can relax later. And that's exactly why most people never start. They want results without the work. But if you're serious about building wealth, you'll understand why this matters. So stick with us, because everything changes once you have that first passive income stream running. Let's start with stream number 1, dividend investing. This is the easiest entry point for most people, and here's why. You need money to make money. Yes, but you might already have that money sitting in a savings account earning 0.01% interest. Instead, put it in dividend-paying stocks or index funds. A company like Microsoft pays dividends. So does Apple. So does Coca-Cola. You buy the stock, and 4 times a year, they send you a check. The beautiful part? Once you've invested, there's almost zero maintenance. No customer service. No product creation. You just wait. A $10,000 investment in a dividend fund yielding 4% means you're making $400 a year. That's not life-changing money yet, but it's a foundation. And every dollar you reinvest grows exponentially. This takes 3 to 5 years to become truly passive, but after that, you're golden. Stream number 2, digital products and online courses. This is where many content creators start. You create something once, a course, a template, an ebook, a preset pack, and you sell it hundreds or thousands of times. The upfront work is brutal. We're talking 40 to 80 hours of content creation, filming, editing, and marketing. But here's the magic. Once it's done, it's done. Platforms like Gumroad, Teachable, or even YouTube take a small cut. Then the money flows in passively. A course priced at $97 that sells 20 units per month is $1,940 in passive income. That's almost $24,000 a year. But this takes 6 to 12 months of upfront grind to build something valuable enough to sell at scale. Stream number 3, rental income. This is the ultimate wealth-building tool, but also the most complex. You buy a property, house, apartment, or even a room, and rent it out. Your tenants pay you every month. After accounting for mortgage, taxes, insurance, and maintenance, a $200,000 property might generate $500 to $1,000 a month in profit. That's passive, but it requires significant capital up front, credit, property management, and occasional repairs. Timeline. Immediately, but it takes 5 to 7 years before the mortgage is covered and you're truly passive. Stream number 4, content creation and ad revenue. YouTube, blogs, and podcasts generate money through ads and sponsorships. It's passive after the content is uploaded, but you need a massive audience first. A YouTube channel with 100,000 subscribers earning 25 cents per thousand views and averaging 100,000 monthly views is making around $2,500 monthly. The timeline? 1 to 2 years of consistent uploads before meaningful income starts. This stream requires patience. Stream number 5, peer-to-peer lending and crypto yields. Platforms like Lending Club or crypto platforms like Aave let you lend money and earn interest. The upfront investment depends on your capital, and returns typically range from 5% to 15% annually. The passive part is real, you fund it, and it runs. But risks are higher, and this requires monitoring and education. Here's what matters. Every single stream has a different timeline. Dividend investing is slow but safe. Digital products are fast but require massive upfront work. Real estate is slow but powerful. Content creation is brutal at the start but exponential at scale. And lending is quick but risky. The passive income timeline usually looks like this. Months 1 to 3, you research and invest significant time or money. Months 4 to 12, you see your first trickle of passive income, which barely covers your effort. Months 13 to 24, you might see 20 to 50% of your investment recouped through passive means. And after 2 years, that's when passive income actually becomes passive. Most people quit in month 4 because they don't see immediate results. So what's your next move? Pick one stream that matches your current situation. Don't try to do all 5 at once. Start with dividend investing if you have capital. Start with digital products if you have expertise. Start with content if you have a unique voice. Commit to 12 months of consistent effort, and by this time next year, you'll have your first real passive income stream running. If this changed how you think about money, subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell. We drop financial education videos every week, and you won't want to miss the next one. And here's my question for you. Which of these 5 streams are you most interested in starting? Drop your answer in the comments. I read every single one, and I'd love to know what resonates with you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.